well, we saw a few scattered showers and storms across Acadiana this afternoon. Now, the good news is most of that is starting to quiet down, and we should stay relatively dry again to the rest of this evening and overnight tonight before we kind of do it all over again as we head into Sunday. More on that in just a little bit, but first, taking a look at our bigger picture, and we still have that upper level high sitting into Texas. Now notice how it's not right on top of us, so we still have the enhancement of the sea breeze effect and daytime heating, and that often sparks showers and storms really kind of right along the I-10 corridor on southward. And we did see some heavier showers and storms out there this afternoon, but again, most of that has since quieting down, and we'll likely see a pretty similar setup heading into Sunday. So if you missed out on the storm activity today, maybe tomorrow will be your day to see some rainfall, and kind of vice versa here. Now this upper high is going to start to break down and push westward as we head through the course of next week, kind of providing a little bit better coverage of some scattered showers and storms in the forecast. We'll get to that in just a little bit. Running it through overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, mainly quiet start, maybe dealing with an isolated shower or two, mainly along the coastal parishes tomorrow morning. And again, maybe some patchy fog out there as well before the sun comes up for areas that saw the rainfall today. And then again, through the course of the afternoon, a few more scattered showers and storms out there. Very similar to what we saw today. We'll hold rain chances at around 30 to 40%. Any one storm capable of producing heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and of course frequent lightning. So careful if you're out and about tomorrow afternoon. And as we lose the heating of the day tomorrow evening, most of that should begin to quiet down. And then for Monday, even fewer storms out there as our high temperatures settle into the lower and mid 90s. Quick look out in the tropics, and it's always a little worrisome to kind of take a sneak peek out there this time of year because you never know what you're going to find. But Gulf of Mexico looking pretty good. Same in the Caribbean Sea. Watching a tropical wave just west of the islands here, but not really much of a threat here as conditions are kind of unfavorable out in the Caribbean Sea. Yesterday we were watching a tropical wave in the mid-Atlantic that the Hurricane Center was given about a 10% chance to develop in the next 5 days. They've since down those chances to around 0%. So no real issues there. And then just coming off the African coast, another healthy wave, but again, most of the models not really picking up on it here as we head to the next several days. So here we are Monday and Tuesday of next week. Surface high pressure looks to dominate our weather, so rain chances staying on the lower side, no higher than 20%. Kind of a transition day heading into Wednesday, a little bit more moisture around the area. And then again, for Thursday and Friday, once that upper high starts to move off to the west, we'll likely see at least a better coverage of scattered showers and storms to round out next work week, and then rain chances coming back down a little bit into next weekend. With higher dew points and a little bit higher humidity out there throughout the next several days, heat indices are going to return to the triple digits starting early next week. So of course it's August, heat precautions remain advised. Make sure to drink plenty of water, take frequent breaks if you have to do any sort of physical activity, especially during the peak heating hours of the day. So rain chances, storms starting to diminish this evening, lows tonight in the mid 70s, and for the day tomorrow, pretty similar story. What we saw today, rain chances sitting at around 30 to 40%. As our high temperatures settle into the lower 90s. And again, those storms usually get going mid to late morning and continue into the early afternoon time frame. And as we roll through the next 10 days, rain chances coming down for Monday and Tuesday, and a little bit better coverage of those storms to round out next work week as our high temperatures settle into the lower and mid 90s each and every day.